16th July 2019, a day of significance, was celebrated in a unique style throughout the world. It was Ashadhi Purnima, the mega festival of Vyas Purnima. On this day, every disciple's relationship with his guru gets further strengthened, and if the disciples come by a priceless gem of a guru, such as the self-realized Saint Sri Asharamji Bapu, then no doubt they are supremely fortunate. Our camera could not go everywhere for obvious reasons, but it made it to at least some select ashrams of the world, and found that on this day, the disciples of the self-realized Saint Sri Asharamji Bapu were so deeply engrossed and intoxicated in the loving memory of their Guruji that presentment of their actual emotions is simply beyond words. At some places, Bhajan Sandhya was organized. At some other places, a mass meditation in silence was undertaken. While at still other places, colorful rangolis clearly depicted love of the disciples for their Guru. And at some places, processions were carried out on foot, while some other places witnessed the exhilarated disciples dancing in love of their Guru to the beats of the accompanying percussions, etc. At some places, the disciples organized Bhandara for the families that came from across the border in search of their loved ones, as well as for other poverty-stricken people. However, something especially different that could be witnessed was the worship of Sri Guru Paduka, or the pious sandals, which was conducted with due reverence by every disciple at all the ashrams and service centers alike. This was very well a proof and befitting reply to all those dim-witted people who have been unsuccessfully trying to find faults with the people's beloved Saint Sri Asharamji Bapu, who always wishes for felicity and welfare of everyone. Let's have a look at some ashrams where large gatherings of devotees were seen expressing their heartfelt gratitude to their beloved Sadguru Deva in various ways and manners on the mega festival of Guru Purnima. First of all, we take you to the Ahmedabad ashram, where the self-realized Saint Sri Asharamji Bapu spent a lion's share of his life practicing rigorous spiritual austerities. Here, right since 5 a.m., devotees thronged the ashram to worship Sri Guru Paduka, and a large crowd totaling lakhs of devotees was seen moving about in these grand premises throughout the day. The Guru Purnima festival is celebrated here in a unique fashion. On this day, from the Moksha Kutir to the Vyas Pitha, the devotees took out a Harinam Kirtan procession by holding Sri Guru Paduka over the head, followed by the worship of the same and mental worship of their revered Gurudeva.
से भाग्य बनाओ, चरणामृत से भाग्य बनाओ, चरणामृत से भाग्य बनाओ, चरणामृत से भाग्य बनाओ। गुरु चरण की आरती गाओ, गुरु चरण की आरती गाओ, गुरु चरण की आरती गाओ।
Devotees expressed their feelings in distinct ways. They communicated their heart's feelings to their beloved Gurudeva either through meditation or by singing hymns, or even by shedding tears of love.
दया करो महाराज। कछु ना मांगो दे दो, और कछु ना मांगो दे दो। शाश्वत धन का दान कृपा कृपा करो महाराज, कृपा कृपा करो महाराज।
Then, all the sadhakas got cured and benefited from Guru Darshan and Prasada. It was pretty clear from the reverence of these devotees that there exists an invisible power that has pulled the disciples to their Guru's place. The whole world knows that Saint Sri Asharamji Bapu has been in the central jail of Jodhpur for the last 6 years, and hence such a huge crowd of disciples was highly surprising. Some devotees expressed their feelings for their revered Gurudeva and Guru's holy place in the following words.
We all have gathered here for the purpose of Guru Purnima. On the auspicious occasion of Guru Purnima, we bow our heads to the pious feet of our revered Gurudeva. Certainly, my Gurudev is absolutely stainless for me, even today, and will remain so forever. He is a radiant sun, and we completely believe that our sun will never fade away.
The atmosphere here is absolutely virtuous, and I experience serenity in abundance. The positive aura present here is sufficient to transform just about anybody and reorientate one with its gripping pious vibes.
The ethereal serenity that exists in the ashram cannot be found elsewhere. When we are at home, we are distraught about our family, society, etc. But once we are here, all such worries simply vanish.
This Gurudwar presented an absolutely amazing sight on Guru Purnima. Some were orbiting the Vyaspitha, some were circumambulating the Barbadshah, that is the holy banyan tree, along with chanting mantra, while some others were asking from revered Bapuji for Bapuji himself. On the next day, that is, on July 17, the sadhakas got to listen to the satsanga of Sadhvi Rekha Behen, a disciple of Pujya Bapuji.
Our revered Gurudeva has metamorphosed the fortunes and lives of millions of people through his pious satsanga. How can all these sadhakas ever become ungrateful to their Guruji for all the benefaction received? A sadhaka always cherishes in his heart the remembrance of his beloved Gurudeva. But Guru Poonam is such an auspicious festival that draws him to his Guruji's doorsteps. And yet again, recalling both his devotion towards his Guruji and the treasure of love divine, so compassionately endowed by him alone, he bows in gratitude to Guruji.
Let's now move to the Surat ashram. The gathering of devotees was by no means any less even here. Some sadhakas came here by their own vehicles, and some of them took out a Harinam Sankirtan procession undertaking the march on foot, which was concluded back in the ashram. And all the sadhakas availed benefit of the worship of Guruji and bhajan and kirtan. Now, from the Surat ashram, let's move to the Dehradun ashram. Here also, the Guru Purnima festival was celebrated with grandeur through devotional songs, melodies and dances. And this gathering of devotees is of Rajokri ashram in the national capital of Delhi. Here too, a large-scale aarti of the Sri Paduka Ji was executed after the worship of revered Guruji. Every single sadhaka was drenched in the joy of love for their Guruji. Then everyone celebrated this mega festival in a grand gala fashion by dancing and singing in devotion. Here too, all the sadhakas took advantage of the satsanga by Sadhvi Rekha Behenji. The grand festival of Guru Purnima at Gwalior Ashram was a little distinct. A large crowd of the impoverished, hailing from the surrounding areas, had come here to take advantage of the bhandara held by the beloveds of Bapuji. This ashram of Goregaon in Mumbai got dwarfed by the huge crowd of sadhakas who could move only by inches while orbiting the Barbadshah. Such a congregation in the country's economic capital cannot be without any reason. These sadhakas have come here drawn simply by their unfathomed love for their Guruji. This palanquin decorated with flowers is in the Indore ashram. The colourful rangoli shining bright in the light of the lamps along with the beautifully decorated Vyaspita appeared as if the sadhakas here had prepared the ashram in advance for the pious re-arrival of their Gurudeva to Indore. Here, the devotees got benefited from the satsanga of Bapuji's disciple Sadhvi Krishna Devi. In Raipur, Chhattisgarh, devotees also performed a fire sacrifice for the good health of their Guruji. In this account, how can we forget the stunning Jammu that gives the kind message of peace and harmony? And now, let's see the huge crowd of Guru Bhaktas that arrived in the Alandi ashram of Pune. Here, a satsang program by Sadhvi Pooja Behan and a grand aarti marked the celebrations of the mega festival of Guru Poonam. Now, let's move to Jodhpur. Here, the impatience for the pious darshan of Sri Guru Paduka Ji was clearly visible on everyone's face. These people carrying bundles on their heads are the refugees from Pakistan, for whom a bhandara was held in the Jodhpur ashram on the occasion of Guru Poonam festival, and they took full advantage of the same. Here, they were blessed with both worship of the Lord and food simultaneously. Therefore, out of ecstasy, their feet naturally started moving in rhythm. The youth were apprised of de-addiction and related noble literature was given to them. All the needy people were presented with various life necessities. Here, every delightful countenance was illuminating the fact that revered Bapuji and his aspirants are a superb gift for the entire world. In Bhilai, Chhattisgarh, notebooks and holy literature were distributed among children. Umbrellas were distributed to the needy in Ujjain. School bags and notebooks were doled out to children in Nashik. In Hyderabad and Bhavnagar too, the children were given writing and reading material. Apart from this, Guru Poonam festival was celebrated in many other places with great enthusiasm. A large crowd of Guru's beloveds also congregated at the Ludhiana ashram in the Punjab for the Guru Poonam festival. On the day of Guru Poonam, huge crowds of devotees were seen in all the ashrams across the country. These scenes from Raita in Maharashtra, Sagar in Madhya Pradesh, and Vapi in Gujarat are presenting a clear testimony to this fact. And now, let's go to the Haridwar ashram where apart from a mega aarti, the worship and darshan of Sri Paduka Ji were conducted amidst the pious sound of conch shells. These were the glimpses of the Guru Purnima festival celebrated only in India. Apart from this, lakhs of followers of Saint Sri Asharamji Bapu also live abroad. And all these emigrated disciples together celebrated this holy festival in their own special ways at their respective homes, nearby centers or ashrams. This sight of the devotees immersed in the divine love of their Guru is from the New Jersey ashram of USA. In Boston too, devotees displayed their devotion to the revered Gurudeva by worshipping and according aarti to him. In Brampton, Canada too, numerous NRI sadhakas celebrated the Guru Poonam festival in the chaste Indian style. In Chicago, American sadhakas celebrated this mega festival with great exhilaration by worshipping Sri Guru Paduka and according aarti to Guruji collectively. Let us now have a look at other places also where the disciples of Bapuji celebrated the festival of Guru Poonam in different styles.
मंदिर होते हैं गुरुवर के चरणों में, सारे तीर्थ मंदिर होते हैं गुरुवर के चरणों में। ये जीवन अब बीते सारा गुरुवर के ही चरणों।
The huge crowds of devotees congregating at various ashrams of Pujya Bapuji and other concerned places on the pious occasion of Guru Purnima have sent a clear message to the whole world that all attempts to misguide the millions of followers of Saint Sri Asharamji Bapu through malicious propaganda etc. are like merely squashing the water, because we will endlessly harp upon this fact that we belong to Bapuji and Bapuji is ours.
ये जीवन अब